Today I have a quick neck taper tutorial for you guys, and we're going to start by creating the ball guideline with the trimmer. Next, take the clipper with the lever fully open and create a 1-inch guideline. Next, fully close the lever on the clipper and begin to blend up. You're going to gradually open the lever as you continue to go up. So just open it up a little bit more and continue to blend. Now you can also do these steps in reverse. So instead of blending up, you can blend down. Just do the steps in the opposite direction. Whatever works for you. And now we're going to open the lever about 3/4 of the way and blend right up under that guideline. Next, we have on the number 1 guard with the lever fully open, and we're going right up above the occipital bone. As you can see, his hair grows in multiple directions, and this is also due to the fact that he wears a do-rag as well, so this will be an issue for certain clients. Now the lever is fully closed, going up under that 1 guard open. And as you see, you'll see me tilt the clipper in multiple directions. So here the lever is halfway open, and I'm blending in between the 1 open and 1 closed. So next, come up under the 1 guard closed with the half guard, and the lever is halfway open. After that, close the lever and blend right up under that. Then go back and do any detail work that's necessary. And finally, I'm going to take the 1.5 guard and blend right up above the occipital bone to remove that weight. And here I wanted to include the neckline as well, just to show you guys not to over exaggerate the arch, and that once you get past the straight part of the neck, so once I begin this point, I'm only using the corner of the blade. There's really no use, or really you can't even use more than a few teeth on the blade. And then you just repeat the same thing on the other side. If these short type of videos are helpful for you guys, comment below and I'll keep doing them. Lately, I've been trying to make more specific videos just to cater to certain problems that beginner barbers may have. However, if you guys want me to go back to the long form videos, I can do that as well. Just let me know in the comments. But that's pretty much going to wrap up this video. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you all on the next video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.